I have with me Kangana Ranaut's lawyer, Rizwan Siddiqui. Mr. Siddiqui, thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. My question to you is, the BMC has justified its demolition despite the court's order. They say that they were following the due process of the law. How would you respond to that?
Well, they didn't have any other option but to, say something like this before the court. Otherwise, they don't want to render themselves guilty of trespass and, of course, to be punishable under Section 166 of IPC, where a government servant is causing injury to somebody else without following a procedure of law. So I'm not surprised by the response that they have drafted and given. They had two senior counsels advising them on this. So I'm not surprised, but of course the facts of the case is something else, and it is much more than what meets the eye. And since I have the liberty of changing my the writ petition, I was granted the liberty by the court. And the best part is that the opposite sides the senior counsels, both the senior counsels have not contested that, they've not challenged that. So a lot of things which were not with me at the time because my client was traveling, I didn't even have the file, I didn't have any details, it was all filed in haste. Fortunately, but at least I could bring out certain illegalities before the judge, the honorable judges, both the judges, the division bench. They could see much more, which was evident from their actions, the acts of commissions and omissions. So I didn't really have to press hard for anything. It was things were apparent, and the judges have recorded their observation, which is for everybody to see. The 10-page order describes and talks about the malefides and ulterior motives. Since the matter is sub judice, I don't want to discuss the merits of the case at this stage. But I think it's for everybody to see.
Sure. Okay. Mr. Rizwan, thank you so much for joining us and explaining your point of view. The court has supported you, but the point is, it's a meaningless controversy, and both parties, and when I mean parties, I mean the on one side, the Maharashtra government or the Shiv Sena controlled BMC, and on the other hand, even Kangana Ranaut, they're playing along. And you know what? Whenever they do so, they stand to benefit. Kangana gets a Y+ security, and the Maharashtra government enjoys the fact that the focus has shifted from COVID-19.